The Woody the Woodpecker. Once upon a time, there was a kind woodpecker named Woody lived in a forest. Woody likes to tap into the trees and find insects for food. One day, when Woody was tapping a tree, he saw the little birds who were crying. Seeing the little birds were homeless, the Woody thought to make them a home. So the little birds enjoyed their new home and thanked kind Woody. The moral of the story is that be kind and help the innocent when you can.